Hello everyone, this is John speaking. Today I will introduce this smart electronic deadbolt to you. I will teach you how to operate this smart deadbolt. To begin with, I will teach you how to register the fingerprint users. There are 30 capacities and former 3 users belong to administrator and the owner of this lock. The other one belongs to common users. Okay. We find at the left side this one. Okay. Look at this. This phone is reset home. It's connected to the reset button. Okay, let me insert a small tool and simultaneously we look at the sensors stadia. Blue light, yes, we register the first user. Register 6 times. Okay, complete. Let me try the result. Okay, this user can unlock the door. Secondly, I will teach you how to set the passenger function and make the lock auto unlock. Yes, let's begin. Use the registered user's fingerprint to hold on about 10 seconds until the green light. Yes, and press the touch sensor again. Touch again. Okay. During this period, the lock is static the passenger and auto unlock. And how to delete it? Complete the operation previously, or you use a wrong fingerprint. Yes, this is delete the passenger function, passenger mode. Yes. Last but not least, eventually, I will teach you how to reset the lock. Use a tool to insert this phone and hold on about 9 seconds. Okay, when you see the red light flashing, it means success. Let's do it. Okay, red light flashing and green light flash one means success. Reset this lock. Okay, this is end of introduction. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.